So God makes me, right? Boom. First man, no parents, no nothing. And I'm like, ooh, I'm literally about to be everyone's daddy. Yeah, this is bananas. Then one day I knock out, zero warning, wake up missing a rib, and there's this baddie just standing there like, hi, I'm your wife.
Do you also want to create awesome AI influencer podcasts like this and go absolutely viral? If yes, then you are in the right place, my friend, because today I am going to show you step by step how you can create awesome influencers like this and then turn them into a podcast video that can earn you some extra cash. Now, videos like this are going absolutely viral, and with proper strategy and content, you can also find success. I am going to show you the entire process in detail, so make sure you pay very good attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, the tool we will be using today is called Apob AI, through which you can create your influencer and then also create images with face consistency with ease. And no, this is not just another AI image generator. This platform is specifically built for creating AI influencers, so you can expect awesome results. I have been using this for a while and it's just too good. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. From here, you can see some of the models generated by other users, and as you can see, some of them look incredibly real. Now, if you scroll down, you can see some videos generated by other users, and they look fantastic too. Now, let's create our own influencer and see how good this tool is. First, you need to click on Create Portrait Model, and it will take you to this interface. Now, from here, you can upload the reference image of your influencer, or you can just create one using AI. Let's create one from scratch. So I will click here, and now from this section, you need to select the key features of your influencer like age, country, hairstyle, etc. So for the age, I will keep it at 25. Now for the country, let's go with Spain. For the hairstyles, I have no idea about these hairstyles, so I will just pick this one. For hair color, let's go with black, and for the face shape, let's go with this one. After that, you can just hit generate and wait for the result. And here it is. As you can see, our influencer is ready and she is looking absolutely gorgeous and according to our preferences. You see how easy that was? No need for long prompts. Just select the details and your influencer will be ready. And if you are not happy with the result, you can always regenerate. Once you are happy with your influencer, click on select this image as reference. Next, you need to give it a name and then a description. After that, you can decide whether you want this model to be public or private. If public, then other users can use this model. I will keep it at public and then click on Create Image Model, and it will start training your model, and once done, you will see an interface like this. Now this is where all the magic happens. Now this is our reference image, and we will use this reference image to create the first image of our AI influencer. Let's do that. So first, from here you need to select the image style. I will choose realistic. Next, if you click on environment, then you can select the background. As you can see, there are so many options. Let's go with library. Next, if you click on appearance, then you can select the clothes. Let's go with casual. After that, you can also select the weather if you want. I'll keep it empty. Now in the prompt section here, I will write a very simple prompt like this and click on generate. And here are the outputs. As you can see, it has created 4 different images and they look awesome. They really look like real influencer images, don't they? And as you can see, the prompt adherence is also very, very good. And remember, this is the image of your influencer, not the reference one. That is just for the face reference. Now, if you like a particular image, then you can click on this button to upscale the image, which is just awesome. This is how the image looks like after upscaling. As you can see, it looks more realistic now. Let's try one more. This time, let's try something bold. So I'm going to change the environment to this and the clothes to this, and then hit generate. And here are the outputs. As you can see, the images look awesome and are according to our image preferences. But most importantly, if you compare the first and these images, then you will notice that the faces are perfectly consistent. Isn't this awesome? And all the images that you will be generating in future will have the same face. So now, the main problem for AI influencer is finally solved. And it's pretty easy too. And now let's try to generate a podcast-style image so that we can create a podcast video with our influencer. So in the prompt, I will write that prompt, and for the style, I will keep the realistic option and remove everything else, and then click on Generate. And here is the output. As you can see, this image looks nice and is perfect to create a podcast video. Now you need to choose an image from these options, and remember this is still AI and it can make mistakes, so you need to keep generating until you get the perfect image, because it's all about quality. I like this image, so first let's upscale this image. Here is how it looks after upscaling. As you can see, it looks more realistic now, which is exactly what we need. And now let's turn this into a podcast video. It's very simple. First, you need to click on this talking avatar option, and it will take you to the interface. Now, on the left side, you can see so many other things that you can do if you want, including lip sync, which is awesome. From here, you can also upload your own image to lip sync, so it gives you a lot of freedom. For now, let's stick with our influencer. Next, you can create a voiceover if you want, or you can upload your own audio from here. I will upload this audio I have generated using 11 Labs. Now for the quality, you can go with best or ultra. I will go with ultra because I want the best possible result, and then click on generate. Now this could take some time depending on your voiceover length, and here is the output.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the WealthWise podcast, the show where we explore the latest AI tools and how you can use them to create viral AI content. Today, we're talking about Apob AI, a game-changing tool that lets you create ultra-realistic AI influencers. With just a few clicks, you can generate lifelike avatars that speak, move, and engage like real people.
Wow, that was awesome. Not only was it able to create the perfect lip sync, but it also added certain body gestures and motions, which makes it even more realistic, doesn't it? I am very much satisfied with how well the result has turned out, and you can also create something like this with ease. You just need to be a little bit creative and look for viral topics or trends. Here is another type of video I created using Apob AI.
Man, I saw a human running from a squirrel the other day.
A squirrel.
Bro, if y'all scared of squirrels, don't even come to the jungle. We got lizards out here with attitudes.
That was hilarious, wasn't it? I'm telling you guys, funny videos like this are going absolutely viral these days. And now, with the help of Apob AI, you can also create them easily. Once you sign up, they will give you some free credits, but if you want to use it to its full potential, then you can consider subscribing. As you can see, it's less than $10 a month. I will put the link in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.